Quilting is the process of sewing the top layer of fabric with quilting cotton in between and a bottom layer of fabric underneath. Put the top layer of fabric with patchwork and/or applique, quilting cotton, and bottom fabric together by using pin or basting stitches. By using the walking foot, the machine feeds both top and bottom fabrics together at the same time, so fabric shifting is eliminated. Use the walking foot N for this stitch. Turn off the power switch before replacing the presser foot. Remove the presser foot holder. Set the actuating lever on the needle clamp and insert the assembling point to the presser bar and tighten the set screw for the presser foot. Place your hands to both sides of the presser foot and sew by pulling the fabrics apart. Sew with slow to medium sewing speed. It is called free motion quilting when moving the fabrics freely towards any directions without using the feed dog of the sewing machine. When the feed dog is lowered, it is possible to sew various curves and/or any directions by moving the fabrics by hand. Use the quilt presser foot Q for this stitch. Turn off the power switch before replacing the presser foot. Remove the presser foot holder. Set the quilting foot and tighten the set screw for presser foot. Move the drop feed knob to the right-hand side. Feed dog is now down. Place the fabric underneath the presser foot and lower the presser foot. Adjust the height of the presser foot according to the thickness of the fabrics by screw. When the height is 1 millimeter from the surface of the fabrics, it will be easier to move the fabrics without interference. Use both hands to hold the fabrics and move it without letting it loose. The target stitch length is about 1.5 to 2 millimeters. When free motion sewing is finished, move the drop feed knob back to the left side. The feed dog will be up and engaged at the same time as the machine starts to sew. When you press the float function button, the marking will be displayed. By this function, you can sew fabrics with the presser foot a little bit up. This is good for materials such as quilting and velvet, which are easily shifted while sewing. When the button is pushed once again, this function will be cancelled.